What's up guys, Dan here, back with another video, and today I will be doing a membrane versus mechanical keyboard. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to start with my mechanical keyboard. You guys usually see in my videos. This is my 60% brown switch RK621 keyboards. So yeah. Ooh, that was not bad score. I got 104 words per minute. Not bad. Here, I'll show you guys. Right there, that's my score. Not bad. And now I'm gonna move on to my membrane keyboard. All right, guys. Now I got my membrane keyboard, and yeah. Before I start, I actually made a video on this before. I already made a video on mechanical versus membrane, but you guys didn't really see hand cam, and you guys didn't really it wasn't that good. It was a short video, but this time, hopefully this one's better. So this one's my iBuy Power keyboard. It's a membrane. It's just red and black. My cousin gave it to me. But yeah, I'm going to get straight into it. $103, not bad. You know, that last one I got 104. This time I got 103. I mean, it doesn't really matter what keyboard you have. The purpose of this video, I just wanted to just made it a fun video on like which one. Not really which one's better, because it doesn't really matter what keyboard you have, as long as you pick a keyboard that you're most comfortable with, and that you could type fast with this. But usually I'm more comfortable with mechanical keyboards. But honestly, it's your decision, your opinion, and what you're most comfortable with. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.